Hello guys, welcome to your 10th SDL2 tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be going over how to set up and install SDLTTF, a text library for SDL that allows you to add text and stuff to your programs. As you can see here, I am displaying 3 different little phrases or sentences, whatever you want to call them. And so now we're going to learn how to set this up so you can add this to our Mario-like game. Alright, so first things first, you want to go to the website for SDLTTF. So go into Google or whatever search engine you have, and right now we're going to search SDLTTF, SDL2 underscore TTF. Alright, now it should be the first page right here. You're going to click on that link. Now you should be brought to a page like this. Now, for code blocks and Visual C++, since it says right there, I downloaded this one. So the first link on the development libraries, Windows, and the first link right here, it should say -VC. Alright, download that. And now guys, you want to extract it to where you develop yourself at. Alright, let's extract it wherever you want. So do that right now. I'm just going to extract it to my desktop. Alright, once you're done with that, you should see a folder like, hold on, let me find it. I already installed it and downloaded it and extracted it and stuff. So once you're done, you should see a folder like this. So it should say SDL2 underscore TTF dash 2.0.12, whatever version is current at the time you're watching this. Alright, so you want to open that up. Now, here's what we need to know. So open up the lib folder. Now you'll see 2 folders. And if you didn't install the correct version of SDLTTF. Alright, now anyway, so if you have 32-bit Windows, you're going to use the x64 when we start with it. Now if you have 64-bit Windows, you're going to use x86. Now, in order to check this, you need to go to the control panel. No, excuse me. You need to go to computer. Let me just find that because now I'm on Windows 8. Now, or you can just right click this PC or computer. And now click the properties. That'll bring up this page. Now right here on Windows 8 and 8.1, I have 8.1 right now. So right on next to system type, you'll see your type. So like I have 64-bit Windows, you'll see 32-bit if that's the kind you have. Alright, so now let's begin to install this or set it up. Alright, so first things first, let's do this. So right click your project, click build options, and now click the top directory. Now go to the linker settings tab, and now in the link libraries section, click add, that little browse button, and now you're going to browse to the directory of SDLTTF. And once you get there, you want to link the lib.lib file. Alright, so you're going to go into the lib folder, and now I'm on 64-bit, so I'm going to go into the x86 folder. If you are 32-bit Windows, you're going to go into the x64. Alright, and now you want to click this file right here. It should say .lib. So click that, keep relative path, and we'll click yes, and OK. Now over here in the other linker options section, you're going to type -l SDL2 underscore TTF. Now make sure you type it exactly the way I typed it in here, or else you will have errors later on. Alright, now go to the search directories tab, and under the sub tab, go to the compiler tab right here, and now add search, and now we're going to add the compiler. Alright, so we are going to search for the directory where you have STLTTF extracted, and we're going to include the include folder within STLTTF. Alright, here's mine, and now I'm just going to click that include folder once. Okay, yes, and there you go. Now click your STL2 include for STL2, edit, now click copy, now click OK, and now we're going to add. So click add, paste, and now just delete this STL2 directory right here. So when you're done, you should have 2 directories for STL2 and 1 directory for STLTTF. One of the STL2 directories should have /STL2 at the end, and the other should not. This is so STLTTF can link to STL properly. Alright, now go to the sub linker tab, which is right next to the compiler tab. Click that. Now we're going to go add a linker. So click add, browse. Now we're going to browse for the linker folder. Alright, so as we did with the include, we're going to go to the directory of STLTTF where it's extracted, and now you're going to just simply link out the lib folder. And as I said before, if you're using 32-bit Windows, you're going to click the x64. If you're using 64-bit Windows, as I am, you're going to use the x86 folder. Just click that once or double click it, and click OK, and yes, and OK once more. Alright, now you're done with linking up STLTTF. Alright, now we need to include it. So right under STL.h, we're going to include STL underscore TTF.h. Alright. Now just build and run it. If you have no errors like me, you installed STLTTF and linked it up correctly. If you have any errors, ask me in the tell me in the comment section, and I will try to do my best to help you out. Okay, that wraps it up for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will be doing and using STLTTF to print out a simple sentence to the screen. Alright, thank you guys for watching. This is GameGrape Corporation. See you in the next tutorial.